So I got a 3D printer. A bit of a long time dream, this one. I guess it's a dream for anybody who likes making things. Also, it looks like a spaceship. One setup, I printed for days on end. Everything that I could possibly think of. Isn't it amazing? It's too amazing. There's too many things to print. There's too much to do. What should I print next? Back to my safe haven. This is my current music setup and I love every part of it. Except one flaw. The speakers. They're beautiful, they sound great, but they're fragile. The cone, as you see, is very exposed. The speaker could be killed by just a touch. That's not what you want. So let's fix that. The first phase is always designing. I decided to make some speaker grill covers which can be put over the exposed cones. I wanted to have a nice pattern which isn't too obtrusive for the sound waves and also wouldn't break the aesthetics. Deciding the thickness comes next in the design. Not too thick, this is 2mm for example, it's a bit bulky to my liking. It also can't be too thin, otherwise it does not properly protect. I went with 1.2mm. Once that's done, I should find a way to attach them to the speakers. Initially I thought to use the existing screws, however I imagined that to be annoying after a while. So I tried to incorporate embedded magnets in the grills for a cleaner look. Now in theory I'm ready for printing. But it's a bit boring. Looking for something interesting, I thought of the sound waves whose pattern has always mesmerized me. So I decided to shape the grills to sound waves. Once that's done, we're finally ready for printing. In the printing process, I'll pause halfway to embed the magnets. Wait, what is that? Okay, that was odd. Could the devil be in the spaceship? Oh no. Oh no, that does not look good. Come on, Mr. Devil. Please be kind to me.
Mamma mia!
At least I made a good spaghetti. After triple checking everything, I have no clue what went wrong. So I decided to make an offer to the devil and then just print it again the exact same way.